Welcome to the Bobby Lee Lawrence Academy of Wine. This beautifully remodeled portion of our offices begins with the treatment on the doors and hallway to set an entirely different mood inspired by the wine region of Tuscany. The Bobby Lee Lawrence Academy of Wine was established in honor of Bobby Lee Lawrence and his expertise of fine wine and his passion for sharing knowledge to others. His wife, Marian Lawrence, is an incredible supporter who continues to contribute to our programs as a member of our Board of Advisors and is active in our events and student programs. In addition to being a beautiful venue for our hosted events, it is the perfect setting for our wine appreciation class taught by our department head, Dr. Jean Hertzman, and our community beverage presentations to continue the legacy that Bobby Lee Lawrence held most dear, combining a love of wine and a love of knowledge. You can join us in supporting the Bobby Lee Lawrence Academy of Wine through attending these events and through our Bottomless Wine class sponsorships, as you can see represented by the etched write-out glasses with the names of our existing supporters that are used when they attend events or can be sent to you for your home use. We've adjusted this room as well to accommodate the safety of our faculty and students, to allow for distancing and limited occupancy, while still being able to provide a one-of-a-kind learning opportunity for our students. Thank you for joining us on this brief tour of the Bobby Lee Lawrence Academy of Wine.